Right, so let's look at terminology here because it is sometimes very confusing. Right, so USCE stands for United States Clinical Experience. Right, that's pretty straightforward. And there are multiple types of USCE. Right, so here are some 7 types, okay, which I will discuss with you right now. The first is clinical electives, which is what you guys are looking for, okay, which is the whole point of this video. So these are basically postings undertaken by final years or interns in their field of interest, okay, like internal medicine or pediatrics or surgery, Usmle. Okay, sub-internship is another type of USCE in which you will be acting as first-year residents, right? That is, after graduation while residents, you'll be behaving like that. You'll have those responsibilities. Okay, and sub-internships give you the best LORs, but they are very, very hard to get in the first place. Okay, next are rotations. Rotations are basically called postings in India, right? The ones we go to in hospitals and go for rounds and everything. So that term is synonymous with postings in India.